Greetings, all, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and see y'all energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take a resonate, leave. It does not, if it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. All right? Energy is always fluid. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. We're pulling from the divine headquarters and seeing what the heck is going on with the divine family, friends, and collective. What's happening, Spirit? What is it that we need to know? What's going on? What is it that we need to know, Holy Spirit? Mm, what's happening? It's been a very rainy day today. It's been a very rainy day. Okay, I'm seeing ancestral protection. Ancestral protection shield. You guys are definitely being protected by your ancestors. It's almost like you guys have a shield around you. You're in this protective bubble. For what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing there's a lot of sigils, ancient sigils here. Let's go and clarify this ancestral protection. It's one in particular that's very strong. That's keeping everybody. I don't. This what I'm hearing is one that's in particular that's very strong. That's keeping everyone else in check. Is what I'm seeing here. An elder clarifying this ancestral protection shield. What's going on? What's happening? Ancestral protection shield. Okay. No. First things first, it was you guys living above your means. So definitely be careful with that. If you don't have it, if you don't need it, you shouldn't want it right now until you're able to get it. Okay. So I'm seeing block communication here. Not being able to speak to you, block number, afraid to reach out, not having the words to say. So it seems like clarifying this ancestral protection shield that there's an individual of someone that is being blocked. There's someone that's blocked. I feel like you may have blocked this person from your phone, but I'm just feeling like this, and this person is actually blocked from you energetically. But this is just giving on the surface level, physical level, where they're not able to speak to you. You blocking their number, they're not able to reach you, and even still, they don't even know what to say to you. What could you say after the things that they may have possibly done to you? It's nothing that they can say, so I don't even know why they even trying to reach out. But let's go and get into it. Block communication. Some of you guys may have spending problems, shopping problems. Keep that at bay. Don't be shopping too much. Budget your money out. Put some money to the side, and don't tap into or dip into any other money that isn't the funds that you have set aside for you to do your shopping and things like that. Especially if it's not needed. Okay, it's for things that you need, not some things that you want, unless you have the money for it. Clarify block communication. Block communication. Block communication. One more. Block communication. They actually gave me two more. Well, that one was in reverse. So I'm gonna take the one that was in the upright. Clarifying block communication. Water came out. A water sign could definitely be significant. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, masculine or feminine energy, and it looks like it ties to autumn. Okay, so you may have blocked communication with a water sign in autumn. September, October, November could definitely be significant. And it seems like it's like an energy you guys taking off the rose colored glasses. It seems like this person came with a lot of confusions and illusions. They weren't being authentically themselves. Okay. This person it was a facade, it was some sort of facade, especially when it comes to whoever this person is. All right. And look what's at the bottom. It's talking about you surrendering, releasing, purging. So you may have even, this person that you cut off, you possibly had shed some tears or some sort of emotion with severancing ties with this individual. Let's go ahead and get into this ancestral protection shield. See what the heck is going on. Would you mind clarifying ancestral protection shield, please, Spirit? The color white could definitely be significant. Your energy, you might be a pure-hearted individual, is what I'm saying here. All right. It seems like this person caused a lot of sadness. I did not say I seen some tears, some water here. The sun came out in reverse. It talks about sadness. Okay, I'm seeing an energy of you having unrealistic expectations when it comes to this individual. Somebody could very much be conceited or have a lot of ego, is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing you guys, I'm seeing solid beginnings here. So you go from the energy of possibly feeling sad or, you know, feeling like you made some sort of unrealistic expectation when it comes to this individual to an energy of you receiving good news in regards to earthly matters. It's almost like an energy again, like of protection. Just as you're feeling sad, something good happened where it brings your spirits back up again. And I see an energy of you guys having success or having some sort of advantage where you are moving forward. Is what I'm seeing here. It's almost like an energy of you winning. There's an energy of you guys winning here. Like there's some sort of victory here. It's like an energy of you uh whoever this person is may be in the same spot or same position in life, and it's like you possibly surpass them not only energetically but possibly spiritually as well. With clarifying this ancestral protection seal. I'm seeing with this temperance required patience. There's an energy of patience and balance where you will have escape or is escaping some sort of connection, some sort of ruin. Where you've learned from the past, there's an energy of you overcoming some sort of fear, standing in your truth. And I'm seeing a king of cups is out here. Pisces could definitely be significant. All right. Masculine or feminine energy. Okay. Clarify ancestral projection. Ancestral projection, ancestral protection. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm saying like teamwork. Okay, they're working with you. Your ancestors are working with you. All right. There's energy of dedication, ancestral protection shield. I see you guys are coming out as the Empress. Yeah. And clarifying this King of Cups is the Five of Cups. There's energy of someone going through some sort of temporary financial hardship, possibly, or some sort of financial loss. Possibly feel like the world is against them. I'm seeing an energy of bad luck out here. I'm seeing star. There's star energy. It's like you might be a star's child, star's seed. I don't know. This is also speaks of some sort of wish fulfillment, which is tied to good karma and it's happening unexpected due to things that were hidden. It's like from the spirit. Like you're being supported and taken care of from the spirit. I'm seeing like there is fighting going on. Okay? Like I don't know, it's like some sort of spiritual war. Like this person came up against you in the spirit and they don't like that. With this hangman, I'm seeing there was an energy of you having to view things from a different perspective and just simply let this person go. And Spirit is saying that you needed to release after gaining some sort of enlightenment, change your course of direction with whoever this person is. This could be a romantic, it could be a lover, family, or friend. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed, but I'm definitely seeing energy of restriction. Dealing with this person came with restriction, you not being able to be yourself is what I'm seeing here. But I am seeing that there is a new beginning here. Okay, with this ancestral protection shield, I'm seeing like there is a new beginning where there is new relationships coming in, where there is joy and happiness. Some of you guys may be getting pregnant too. But I am seeing you moving forward with the Three of Wands. Okay, I'm seeing you having like plans for the future, having foresight, and you leaving the past behind with the Six of Cups. Yeah, because I'm seeing an energy of people. There's an energy of someone juggling. Someone is juggling. It's like they're leaving them behind with their own emotional problems, financial problems, mental problems, whatever problems that they had. Ancestral protection shield, and I see somebody in regret, and they try to reach out to you or something like that. But I see you refusing some sort of offer from this person. Okay, it's like you don't want anything to do with this person. All right, you understand that this person is possibly self-absorbed, self-absorbed. Okay, it's like they did too much or they did something and you're not forgiving of that. You don't want anything to do with this person. I feel like this may be someone from a previous lifetime. Yeah, I'm seeing somebody at loss. There's an energy of sadness, grief. There's an energy of despair, possibly feeling abandoned, and this energy of regret. We have another water sign out here. Cancer could definitely be significant as well, but I am seeing energy, you guys, having some sort of boundaries or having someone blocked. And it's like someone is feeling burdened because of that. They've been burdened because of that. This person could be younger than you or possibly emotionally immature or childish. I'm also showing that there's a fire sign that could be significant. Aries, ancestral protection. Yep. Um, this fire sign might be somebody in the spirit is what I'm seeing here because I'm seeing an energy of a happy family. Like you got your ancestors here. It's like they like I want to say they cheering you on, but I'm also showing like at the end of the road they like you can do it. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. You know, keep on moving forward because I see you guys being moved to calmer waters with the Six of Cups. You see how you in the boat and you being moved, like your ancestors are moving you forward, overcoming a lot of hardship. They move you towards an energy of happiness after possibly being betrayed or dealing with somebody that, operated out of self-sabotage. Like I said, you move forward. Like there's energy of level up, like you ascending or leaving somebody or people in the past. They in the same position that they were in before, but like you have this victory, you have this success. I'm seeing in the energy of you guys having self-discipline and willpower and control, right? And I see them coming in with an offer or some sort of apology, but it's only to deceive you, to lie to you, trick you, or steal from you. I'm seeing it not being authentic. I'm seeing an energy of dishonesty. And I see you making a choice. Lord, a choice on letting this person back in. But I'm seeing it's being a difficult choice. If you feel like it's a difficult choice letting someone back in or, embracing somebody, you need to just not let them back in. I'm almost seeing like an energy of you sleeping on it but not even being able to fall asleep. You get what I'm saying? With the Four Swords, there's an energy like this person come with a lot of stress or possibly feeling overwhelmed. You went through a total transformation. Okay, it seems like you're focusing on new beginnings. I don't even see you foreseeing. I don't foresee you entertaining this person. I'm seeing you let them go for a reason, and this is the ending. It's the end, and you're very traditional. We got the Most High out here. Okay, yeah, this might even been a friend, you guys. It's coming out as friendship. Yep. Friendship, a friend that you may have seen as family or called family, or it could be family or a friend. That's what I'm seeing here. But you are listening to or trusting your intuition with this high priestess. You're listening to your inner voice. There's energy of your spirit guides, your ancestors. You get what I'm saying? That's what you're listening to, especially in regards to you receiving messages. Okay? Moving forward. If it don't feel right, I don't foresee you entertaining this. Is what I'm seeing here. Yes, I'm definitely seeing an energy of you guys receiving downloads. Okay. I'm seeing with these downloads, they want you to go ahead and put your energy towards a new passion and not into this person. Continue to move forward. Yep. Because this person is coming out toxic as hell. This person is coming out in devil energy, ego, obsession, secrets, addictions. And I'm seeing judgment being called. That's why they're not in your energy. Judgment being called. Your ancestors are here with the judgment card. What they're dealing with is as you sow, so shall you reap energy. You know? Yep. Because you've been nothing but good to someone. With the Six of Pentacles, I feel like whoever you are, you may have assisted this person in some form of fashion. All right? And they want you to stand in your power, stand in your energy. You coming out as the magician. You're a powerful manifestor. You don't need this person for a motherfucking thing, not even friendship. They want you to stand in your power. Magician, Nine of Pentacles. And you got your ancestors around you, high priestess. You don't need to be cool with this person. You don't need to talk to them. You don't need to kick it with them. You don't need to skate with them. You could accept their apology, but ain't you can't come back. I don't want to be cool with you. Don't call me again. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I see you doing amazing in this energy of independence, security, obtaining profit. I'm seeing whatever cycle or contract you have with this person or these people is up and over with. It's nothing. It's not. There's no reason for them to come back. That cycle or that part of your life is over with, and it's time for you to continue to move forward. That's why they cheer you like keep on going. Ain't no point of entertaining nobody from the fucking past, especially when they came in with illusions and confusions, and you had to take off the rose-colored glass to see them exactly for who the fuck they are. Absolutely not. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold